basically the rotator cuff is a group of muscles that originate off your shoulder blade, and they attach to the ball part of your arm, what's called the humeral head. And they attach in the front, the back, and the top of the humeral head. And those attachments of those muscles are called tendons. And those tendons attach not really separately to the ball, but in a confluence or a cuff. And when those muscles work together, they work to rotate your shoulder into such as a throwing motion. The most common way rotator cuff tears is what we call a degenerative tear, meaning it tends to just wear with time, sort of frays over time. And it gets more likely to occur as we get older. It can happen from an acute injury. Sometimes it can be partially torn and then you finish it off in a fall or some other sort of accident. Surgery is used to reattach those muscles to the humeral head or the ball in your shoulder. It is an arthroscopic procedure, which means we do it under small incisions. We don't have to make an incision through the big outer muscles to get down to the operative site. It's performed by anchoring stitches into the bone, attaching stitches into the insertion site for those muscles. Those stitches are then passed through the tendons, and we basically tie those muscles back to the original location on your shoulder.